In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up pricing levels in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to optimize your sales process, this guide will help you navigate through setting customized pricing for your various customer groups. Let's dive in and get started. First, let's open up our browser. For the best experience, I'm recommending Google Chrome to access QuickBooks Online. Once you've got Chrome open and ready, head over to the QuickBooks Online website. If it's your first time today or if you've been logged out recently, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks Online account using your credentials. This gets you into your main dashboard where all your financial management tasks can be handled. Now let's direct our attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon right there. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up the settings menu. This is your hub for all sorts of customization and account settings. From the list that appears, you'll want to select Account and Settings. This section houses all your key configuration options for how QuickBooks interacts with your business data. Once inside, navigate over to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see various tabs. Click on the one labeled Sales. This tab is specifically for customizing your sales activities and how they're managed in QuickBooks. As you scroll through the options under the Sales tab, keep an eye out for a section that says Sales Form Content. This is where we'll closely work with your pricing setups. In this section, depending on your QuickBooks Online version, you'll either see an option called Pricing Rules or Pricing Levels. We're going to focus on refining your pricing structure, so click the pencil icon next to it, which stands for Edit. Next, you'll want to click Add a Pricing Rule or New Pricing Level, whichever your version displays. Now, it's time to enter a name for your new pricing level. Think of what best suits your business needs, or even imagine what your customers might appreciate. For example, you could name it Wholesale, Retail, or even something like VIP for your most loyal shoppers. The beauty of QuickBooks Online is its flexibility in making this new pricing level apply to either all of your customers or just specific ones depending on your strategy. So select what makes the most sense for you. Finally, take a moment to set your desired price adjustments. These could be discounts or markups, available as either a percentage or a fixed amount. Adjust these settings according to what will best serve your business goals. Once everything looks good, don't forget to save your new pricing level. This step ensures everything we configured is stored correctly and is ready to implement in your various customer interactions. And there you have it. You've just successfully set up a pricing level in QuickBooks Online. This feature is instrumental in tailoring your pricing strategy to fit different customer needs and can significantly boost your business's efficiency and customer satisfaction. Keep exploring other features QuickBooks offers for even more customization and control over your business operations.